Text in Firefox too small, too large, or just hard to read? In this video, I'll show you how to change both the font type and font size in Mozilla Firefox. You can customize the browser using fonts like Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, and many others. You can also increase or decrease text size to make websites easier to read. Let's go step by step. First, open Firefox on your computer. Now click the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Stay on the General section. Scroll down until you find the Language and Appearance area. Here you'll see the default font size option. You can click the Size drop-down menu to increase or decrease text size inside Firefox. Next, click the Advanced button next to Fonts. This opens the detailed Firefox font settings. Inside this window, you can choose different font styles for websites and browser content. Click the Font drop-down menu. You can now select fonts like Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, Verdana, or other fonts installed on your computer. You can also adjust proportional font size, serif fonts, sans serif fonts, and monospace fonts separately. If you want websites to always use your selected fonts, you can disable the option that allows pages to choose their own fonts. After making your changes, click OK. Firefox will automatically apply the new settings. You can now open websites to test how the updated font style and size look. If the text still feels too small, you can also use Firefox zoom settings to enlarge pages further. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font type and font size in Mozilla Firefox. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Firefox tutorials, browser tips, and Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.